Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here. This is the second plan for Monday special. Okay, those who remember in May, the two show that we won in national, the 81-12. The plan is setting continuation again and is really good. That's why I'm using it. That is here, if you can remember, in May, last 2 months ago. Or last 2 months, you can see in the year 2014 event 916 they played the 81. Following week that they played the 71. 1 2 3 4 they played 74 at winning. So 12 weeks from the 74 over the 12 weeks down, that is when they played the 12, if you remember. So from the 12 you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 weeks down, they play these two numbers, 74, 54. So following week was when I picked these three numbers, 81, 71, and the 12. That is 81, 71, 12, and they play the 12, 81, the two short, 12, 81. Now you can see, if you count from the 12, 81, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they play single 2 at last position. Single 2 at last position, then 1 2 3 they play 53 at winning. Following week they play 31 in machine. Then following week that 12 that play 8 weeks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 he played. Now 9 weeks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The 12 supposed to come back as a full banker to play with that single 2 over there. So single 2, 12, too sure. But it's going to play with this 58. The single 2, 58 is a moving number. They usually play single 2, 58. So if it's not a number in its key, that is single 158. Whenever you see single 2 with 58 on the event, that is also a too sure. But I will show you. Now you come here. At the current, that is at event 963, you see the 81 again. Following week, the 71. So 1 2 3 4. That is when they play the 74. So from the 74, 12 weeks down, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That was when they play the 12 over there. So from the 12, then you count again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is when they play the 74, 54. Then the following week, then our two short play. That was the 12, 81. The 81 over there with the 12. That play. So now from that 12, 81, 1 2 3 4 5. Then the single 2 will play at the last position. So as the single 2 play at the last position machine, 1 2 3. Then they play the 53. Following week, then they play 31 in machine. So following week, that single 2 supposed to come and play with the 12. That first one they play and 8 weeks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then they play 9 weeks now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. They're supposed to come and play with the single 2. So single 2 12. Too short. Single 2 12, too short to play with the 58 as the third number. Why? There is a plan here in national in the year 2009. You will notice that they play 28 90 first. Following week, then they play single 2 center. Here you play with the 58. The two numbers. But last week, as the single 4 play, following week, then the single 2 that is in machine supposed to come out and play with the 58. But the only thing that is a little bit confusing to me is here is picking the 81 instead of the 12. If you know the two numbers that play that I was talking about is the 81 12. That one supposed to come from there, play with the single 2 and then the 58 Here it's using the 81 rather instead of the 12 to play. So I don't know if the 1281 is going to play again, but it's Lotto. You can try, or you add the 81 to it and you try, or you PERM this event also if you can. So the single 258 81 is there. If you come to the current, you see the same setting over there that they play 28 with 90. Then following week the single 2 play at the center position. Then he play the single 4 at winning. So following week that single 2 supposed to come and play with the 58, either with the 81 or the 12. But because I'm using the one in itself, that is the event 946. If you want to add the 81 to this event, feel free. The single 3 on the event is also a banker because it repeat. So these are the numbers: 12, 43, single 2, 58, single 3. Those are the 5 numbers: 12, 43, single 2, 58, and then single 3. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for the second plan of Monday special. So thank you very much for being here. Let's hope for the best. Bye for now.